Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set a smart alarm on the Andal application, meaning that the soundscape will help you to fall asleep quickly. Then the smart alarm will gradually start waking you up at 5 minutes before the time set. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should tap on the sleep icon that you can see in the endless soundscape section at the top of the screen, which is the third option. Now if you want to set your smart alarm, all you have to do is clicking on this smart alarm button in the middle of the screen. Now you are ready to use this section to select the time when you would like to wake up. As you can see, there's an estimated sleep time at the bottom. So if you are done with it, just press the button set alarm down below in the right side corner. So now, as you can see, the soundscape will gently wake you up at your selected time. So this function has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.